Hello guys, again this is teacher Bong Fontanilla saying smile is a curved line that sets everything straight. So again, nandito naman po tayo sa ating channel Bong Fontanilla, and of course this time medyo kakaiba yung bibigay ko sa inyo because I will be introducing you a very useful and important math apps which I believe it can help in our modular learning, especially if we try to solve polynomial functions, quadratic functions and equations, linear functions and equations, and of course our trigonometric functions. So if you are using Android phones or smartphones, so meron kayong cellphone dyan, so you can readily download math apps that can help you solve problems in your modular learning, especially in our subject mathematics. So this math app that I will be introducing you is what we call Algebrator. So Algebrator is a mathematical application that will present solutions on problems on polynomials, quadratic equations or functions, trigonometric functions, and trigonometric equations, linear functions and linear equations, and some other problems in mathematics. Okay, so please stay tuned because we will try to explore this, what we call Algebrator, one of the mathematical applications that we can use in our studies. Okay guys, bale nandito na tayo, naka-screen recorder po tayo. So I'm now using my smartphone, and of course I will be introducing you yung sinasabi kong Algebrator. So hanapin natin. So ayan po siya. Sa may taas, dito sa may gitna, kasama ng InShot, polynomial. So meron tayong Algebrator doon. So kung hindi nyo pa ito na-download, punta lang kayo sa inyong Play Store or App Store, tapos i-type yung Algebrator, then pwede na ninyong i-download for free. So let us try to explore this app. Okay, so yan yung app natin. Wait, meron pa lang naka-save dito. Okay, so just to be familiar with the different functions and characters, so sa baba meron tayong mga numbers 1 to 9, then we have your 0, tapos meron tayong next line dito, then meron tayong decimal point, then mga different inequalities, meron tayong less than, greater than, meron tayong less than or equal to, meron tayong greater than or equal to, tapos ito, yan, this one, ito, x, tapos dun sa taas niya, meron tayong maliit na square dun. So, ito yung gagamitin natin sa pag-i-input o pag-i-encode ng ating mga exponent. So, if you are familiar with your keyboards o keyboard ng ating mga computers, so ito yung sinasabi nating superscript. Meron tayong superscript, meron tayong subscript. Then, meron din tayong para sa ating radical expressions. Ito. Ayan. Square root of 2. Ayan. Then, meron tayong backward. Ito. Arrow to the left. Tapos, meron tayong arrow to the right. Ayan. Tapos, meron tayong f of x dito. Yung mga different functions. Ayan, lalabas yung sine, cosine, tangent, logarithm, then yung ating natural logarithm. Then yung mga different constants, meron tayong constant e, meron tayong I, yung I is square root of negative 1. Yung E natin, approximately, it is equal to 2.71, I think. And of course, yung ating pi, 3.1416. Tapos yung ating close and open parenthesis. Okay? Then yung mga different alphabets natin or letters. Ayan. Okay? So, pwede na tayong magsimula. Na? So, paano ito ginagamit o saan ito ginagamit? Actually, yung Algebrator, meron siyang a wide use in problem solving in mathematics. So, pwede siyang gamitin sa pagsusolve ng linear functions and equations, pagsosolve ng quadratic equations and functions, pagsosolve ng polynomial equations and functions, pagsosolve ng trigonometric functions and equations. Pwede rin po siya sa operations on algebraic expressions, pwede rin po siya sa operations on rational expressions o dun sa pag-a-add, pag-subtract, pag-multiply, at pag-divide natin sa ating mga fractions. So, pwede ito. Na? Okay. So, halimbawa, punta tayo sa ating mga quadratic trinomial. Diba sa ating quadratic equations, na usually, dinidiscuss yan yung kanyang mga linear factors o factor your quadratic equation blah 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 or so and so, mga ganon. Then basing from the factors, you have to find or give the zeros or roots. So pwede natin itong gamitin. So halimbawa, find the linear factors and give the zeros of x squared minus x minus 6. So i-encode natin x square, pindutin natin itong x na may square sa taas, ato, tapos yung 2 na exponent, tapos yung arrow to the right. X square minus x, so yung minus, then x, minus 6, so minus 6. So, meron tayong x squared minus x minus 6. Let us say, hahanapin natin yung kanyang linear factors at saka yung kanyang zeros. So, ipindot lang, iselect lang natin yung solve dito sa may baba. Ayun, yung kulay green. Yan. Okay. So, makikita nyo, meron na tayong solutions dyan. Tapos, yung answer. Yung answer niya is x minus 3 times x plus 2. Itong x minus 3 and x plus 2, ito yung linear factors niya. Ngayon, kung hahanapin mo yung zeros o ibibigay mo yung zeros, so pwede mo nang kunin dito. So that is x minus 3, equate mo lang siya ng 0, x minus 3 equals 0, ang x mo magiging 3. So 3 will be one of the zeros. Tapos punta ka doon sa other factor, x plus 2. So equate it with 0. X plus 2 equals 0. Solve for x. X will become or will be equal to negative 2. So ano yung zeros niya? The zeros of x squared minus x minus 6 are 3 and negative 2. Yun. So, ganun lang kadali. Ikikiin mo lang siya, i-encode mo, o i-input mo yung inyong polynomial, tapos pindutin yung solve, then i-represent niya yung solution, ibibigay na niya yung answer. Okay. Kuha pa tayo ng iba. Let us say, you are given negative 3x squared. So, pindutin natin yan. X square, x muna, so x, then pindot yung x raised to my square doon. Okay, yung ating exponent na 2, tapos arrow to the right, negative 3x square plus 18x, so 18x minus 15. So yan yung polynomial natin. Hanapin natin ngayon yung linear factors niya at saka yung kanyang zeros. So let us see, solve, ayun. So meron tayong negative 3 times x minus 5 times x minus 1. So from these factors, you can solve for the zeros or roots. So kung isosolve natin yung zeros niya, dun sa last, pwede nang ang zeros dyan is 1. Tapos dito, sa negative 3 times x minus 5, i-multiply lang natin yung negative 3 to x at saka negative 5. So negative 3x plus 15, tapos isolve natin yung x. So negative 3x plus 15, so that is negative 3x equals negative 15. Negative 3x equals negative 15, magiging 5. So yun yung magiging zeros niya. Or kahit hindi na natin yan, so ang zeros natin dyan is 5 at saka 1. Kasi yung negative 3 equate with 0, ano yan, 0 din yan. Walang variable. Okay? So yun. Next. Kuha naman po tayo ng polynomial. Ang kanyang degree ay 3. So we have x raised to 3 minus 2x raised to 2 arrow to the right minus 4x plus 8. So you're given x cubed minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 8. Pindutin yung solve there. Okay, so what are the linear factors? The linear factors are x minus 2 quantity squared and x plus 2. So itong x minus 2 quantity squared, so magiging x minus 2 times x minus 2. So from that, ang magiging roots niya, so dalawang 2, so that is 2 and 2, tapos isang negative 2. Okay? Next, kuha naman tayo yung fourth degree. Let us say x raised to 4 minus 2x square arrow to the right plus 1. Solve. So magiging ang kanya, so yan na yung solution, tapos yung answer, x minus 2 quantity square at saka x plus 2 quantity square. These are the linear factors. Then from these linear factors, we can get the roots or zeros. So ang magiging roots niya ay dalawang 1 at saka dalawang negative 1. Okay. So halimbawa naman sa ating trigonometry, halimbawa, you are going to evaluate sine 30 degrees, sine 15 degrees, cosine 25 degrees, sine 15 degrees. So, pwede rin natin gamitin ito. So, pindutin lang itong f of x. Makikita nyo na yung sine, cosine, tangent dyan. Okay? So, let us say sine 15 degrees. So, sine, pindutin yung 15. Ayan, solve. So, yun. So, sine 15 degrees is equal to 0.2588190. 5. Okay? Ayan. So, halimbawa, sine 30 degrees. Okay. Sine 30 degrees is equal to 0.5 or simply 1/2. Let us say cosine 45. Ayan. Cosine 45 degrees is equal to square root of 2 over 2. Pwede rin po tayo dito sa operations na. So halimbawa, sine 90 degrees plus cosine 30 degrees. So that is sine 90 degrees tapos arrow to the right plus cosine 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Ayan. Sine 90 degrees plus cosine 30 degrees. Pindutin yung solve. Ayan. Sine 90 is simply 1. Then cosine 30 is square root of 3 over 2. So 1 plus square root of 3 over 2 magiging square root of 3 plus 2 all over 2. Okay. Pwede rin yung multiplication. Ito yung gagawin natin. I-try natin. Ito. Tapos, sine 30 degrees. Then, this one. Cosine 90 degrees. There. So, let us see. Ayun. So, sine 30 degrees is 1/2 and cosine 90 degrees is 0. 1/2 times 0 will be equal to 0. Okay? So, that's how we use. These are only some of the applications of our Math App Algebrator na pwede nating gamitin para at least makatulong sa ating pagsosolve sa mga iba't ibang problems sa ating mga modules, sa ating mga mathematics. Yeah? So, I just hope this would help, makatulong nang sa ganun, hindi kayo masyadong mahirapan sa pagsosolve sa inyong mga problems dyan sa inyong mga modules. So, yun lang for today. Keep safe. And of course, God bless. I heart you all.